A quick update on CTX here. So down almost 10% on the week. So this is what we've been pointing out for a possible macro bottom is in right along this 618 area at about 185. We're at 181 at the moment. So what may happen here on these monthly candles is we get a wick down once again, just like we do every time. So that's what I would kind of expect at the moment. You are below the 618. You're below the 236 here. We'll zoom it in just a little bit here. So as long as you're below that, what could be here in play is, of course, setting up for a double bottom with a higher low off of a monthly wick. So just keep that in mind. There is some more downside, I would have to say, on CTX. You got stuck at a double 236 going from the high to the low, and you can see that macro 236 at about 205. So once you get over 205, the bottom is in. But right now you're below the 382 at the moment at 182. So that does put in play possibly the 618 retracement at $1.60. So if you're looking to scoop some more CTX up, then you may want to wait and see this thing drop another 12%. It could even come down to the 786 support where it held last time. We'll see how it plays out though. So it could drop 20% also. But if you're bullish on CTX and you're buying in, not a bad spot where it is. And like I said, it's not a bad spot when it dips down a little bit more if we do have a monthly wick here. But with that being said, the big question is, I do think the macro bottom is in, by the way, off of that wick, if that makes sense. But the big question, like I said, is where is CTX going to end up running to? So I don't think it's going to hit a new high. That's a large move. That's a 76, 77x up to $140. That would take you up to that billion market cap if the coins are still the same. I haven't looked at it in a while. But just for a higher high, the 618 retracement would be my target up to about 7 or 975 up to $10 and get your 10x or your 5x, 6x and get out. And then we do have the $19 to $20 range here. I think is very possible on CTX. So that's where you would get your 10x on cryptic finance here. So what are your thoughts? Are you buying the dip? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.